Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our cabbage chow mein, I've just got a pan on a high heat. I'm just going to get a bit of oil in, and then we're going to pop in 2 bags. These are 200 grams each, so that's 7 ounces of classic coleslaw mix. Like, it's so amazing that you can buy this stuff all washed and ready to go for you, so you don't even have to chop cabbage. Although if you wanted to chop cabbage and carrot, you could do that. You know, like just finely julienne, like finely slice a carrot into matchsticks, and then about 1/4 of a cabbage. And then we're just going to stir fry it. But what I'll do is I just stir fry it for a bit to get it, and then we'll pop the lid on for a minute, and that just helps it steam a little bit as well. So when it's had like a minute on the first side, just want to give it a good stir. And if it's starting to burn a bit, just put in a splash of water, just like a tablespoon, and that just helps create some steam. And you could cook this in a wok or a frying pan, but I'm using my pot because my frying pans are all dirty at the moment. And it's up to you how soft or how crunchy you leave your veg. I actually like to have them with a bit of bite still. So we'll just, you can see how that water really and the steam has really helped them melt down. And so when you're happy that their cabbage is cooked enough, get it out of the pan. I'm just going to pop that into a bowl, and then I'll just get a little bit more oil in because my meat isn't that fatty. And we'll get our meat in. So I'm using ground or minced pork, but yeah, whatever protein you like is going to be good here. And then I'm just going to use my spatula to break it up and keep cooking until it's brown. Okay, beautiful. So when the meat is cooked, or your protein is cooked, you don't want it to brown too much, because that can get to the point where it's drying out. So I'm just going to turn off the heat, and then I'll get the veggies back in to warm through. Then we'll get our sauce in. So we want oyster sauce or soy sauce. I'm using oyster because it has like a little bit of a sweetness as well. It is pretty, and you can get vegetarian oyster sauces, or sometimes they're called vegetarian stir-fry sauces, if you want to keep it vegetarian, or if you need to keep it without seafood for whatever reason. So about 4 tablespoons should do it. And if you're using soy sauce, I'd just add 2 and then taste and see how you feel, because it's much saltier, so you won't need as much. And I've got that off the heat now, so then we're just going to give it a good stir. Okay, great. And then I'm just going to have it taste, and if it needs more sauce, or you could add some soy sauce if you think it needs some more salt. But that is good. And then I'm just going to serve it in bowls with some fresh coriander leaves and some roast peanuts or cashews. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.